Hair scarves are one of the most timeless and versatile fashion accessories for women. From ancient cultures to modern street style, hair scarves have always been a symbol of elegance, creativity, and personal expression. In today's fashion world, hair scarves are not just accessories. They are statement pieces that can instantly transform a simple outfit into a stylish look. Whether you are dressing for a casual day out, a formal event, a beach vacation, or even a bad hair day, a hair scarf can become your best fashion companion. In this video, we're going to explore the beautiful world of women's hair scarf styles. We'll talk about why hair scarves are so popular, how to choose the right scarf for your hair type and face shape, and the many stylish ways you can wear them. From classic vintage styles to modern and trendy looks, hair scarves offer endless possibilities for women of all ages. Let's begin by understanding why hair scarves have remained fashionable for generations. One of the biggest reasons is their versatility. A single scarf can be worn in dozens of different ways, making it a cost-effective and creative accessory. Hair scarves also work for every season. In summer, they protect your hair from the sun and reduce frizz caused by heat. In winter, they help keep your head warm while adding a stylish touch to your outfit. No matter the weather or occasion, a hair scarf fits perfectly into your wardrobe. Another reason hair scarves are loved by women around the world is their ability to suit all hair types. Whether you have straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair, thick hair, or fine hair, there is a scarf style that will work beautifully for you. Hair scarves can add volume to fine hair, control frizz in curly hair, and keep thick hair neatly styled throughout the day. They are also a great solution for days when you don't have time to style your hair but still want to look polished and fashionable. Now, let's talk about choosing the right hair scarf. Hair scarves come in many fabrics, sizes, colors, and patterns, and selecting the right one can make a big difference in how your style looks and feels. Silk and satin scarves are perfect for a luxurious and elegant appearance. They are gentle on the hair, reduce breakage, and add a smooth shine. Cotton scarves are ideal for casual and everyday wear because they are breathable and comfortable. Chiffon and lightweight scarves are great for summer because they feel light and airy, while wool or thicker scarves are better suited for cooler weather. When it comes to size, small square scarves are excellent for headband styles or tying around ponytails and buns. Medium-sized scarves are versatile and can be used for half head wraps or turban styles. Large scarves are perfect for full head wraps, dramatic looks, or protective styling. Choosing the right size depends on the style you want to achieve and how much coverage you prefer. Color and pattern also play an important role in hair scarf styling. Solid colors are classic and easy to match with different outfits, making them great for beginners. Neutral shades like black, white, beige, and brown are timeless and elegant. Bright colors like red, yellow, blue, or green add a bold and playful touch to your look. Patterns such as florals, polka dots, stripes, and animal prints can make your hairstyle stand out and express your personality. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part: different hair scarf styles for women. One of the most popular and easy styles is the classic headband look. To achieve this style, you fold a square or a rectangular scarf into a long strip and tie it around your head like a headband. This style works beautifully with loose hair, ponytails, or buns. It adds a feminine and youthful touch to your look and is perfect for casual outings, shopping, or coffee dates. Another timeless style is the vintage pinup scarf look. This style is inspired by the fashion of the 1950s and gives a retro and glamorous vibe. To create this look, you fold the scarf into a triangle, place it over your head, and tie it at the top or side. This style looks stunning with curls or waves and pairs well with dresses, red lipstick, and cat-eye sunglasses. It's a perfect choice for themed events, photo shoots, or when you want to add a touch of old Hollywood charm. The full head wrap style is both stylish and practical. This style involves covering the entire head with a scarf and tying it at the back, side, or top. Full head wraps are especially popular for protective styling, cultural fashion, and elegant looks. They are great for keeping hair protected from environmental damage and are also ideal for days when you want a bold and confident appearance. You can experiment with different wrapping techniques to create volume, knots, or layered effects. The turban-style scarf is another fashionable option that has gained popularity in recent years. Turban styles are elegant, modern, and empowering. They work well for formal events, evening outings, or even everyday wear. Turban scarves can be styled in many ways, such as twisted at the front, knotted at the top, or wrapped smoothly around the head. This style looks especially beautiful with statement earrings and makeup. For a playful and trendy look, you can tie a scarf around a ponytail. This style is simple yet very stylish. You can wrap the scarf around the base of the ponytail or let it flow down with the hair for a soft and romantic effect. This look is perfect for school, work, or casual days when you want to add something extra to your hairstyle without much effort. Another creative way to wear a hair scarf is by styling it around a bun. Whether you have a high bun, low bun, or messy bun, adding a scarf can instantly elevate your hairstyle. You can wrap the scarf around the bun, tie it into a bow, or let the ends hang freely. This style is elegant, feminine, and suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Braided scarf hairstyles are also becoming increasingly popular. In this style, the scarf is woven into a braid along with your hair. This creates a unique and eye-catching look that adds color and texture to your hairstyle. Braided scarf styles are perfect for festivals, vacations, or creative fashion moments. They work beautifully with long hair, but can also be adapted for shorter lengths. Half-head scarf styles are ideal for women who want a balanced look that combines both covered and uncovered hair. In this style, the scarf covers the top or front part of the head, while the rest of the hair flows freely. This look is relaxed, stylish, and perfect for everyday wear. It's also a great option for beginners who are just starting to experiment with hair scarves. Hair scarves are also perfect for beach and vacation styles. At the beach, scarves protect your hair from sun, wind, and salt water while keeping you stylish. You can tie a scarf as a headband, wrap it around a low bun, or use it as a full head cover. Paired with sunglasses and a flowy outfit, a hair scarf completes the ultimate vacation look. One of the most important things about hair scarf styling is confidence. No matter which style you choose, wearing it with confidence makes all the difference. Hair scarves are a form of self-expression, so don't be afraid to experiment with colors, patterns, and styles. Try different looks until you find the ones that make you feel beautiful and comfortable. Hair scarves are also suitable for women of all ages. Young women can use scarves to create trendy and playful looks, while mature women can enjoy elegant and sophisticated styles. There are no rules when it comes to fashion, and hair scarves prove that style has no age limit. In conclusion, hair scarf styles for women are timeless, versatile, and endlessly fashionable. They offer a simple yet powerful way to enhance your hairstyle, protect your hair, and express your personality. Whether you prefer classic, modern, bold, or minimal looks, there is a hair scarf style that is perfect for you. With just one scarf, you can create multiple looks and elevate your fashion game effortlessly. If you enjoyed this video and love learning about women's fashion and hair accessories, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell us which hair scarf style is your favorite and how you love to wear your scarves. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next fashion video.